Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to filter unique values from two columns in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a two columns data. So in this data you can see here the purchase number 1 then 2 3. There are some duplicates number and some are the unique. So here I'm going to filter only the unique numbers in two columns. So let's start. Simply select the both column. You can just drag with the mouse and select the both column here, and you can select the first cell and use the shift control down arrow then right arrow to select the second column. Then go to the data tab. In sort and filter option, just click on the advanced, and here the advanced filter dialog box is open. In action, the first option is automatically selected. In list range, just click on this arrow and select your entire data. Just click on the first cell and use the shift control down arrow then right arrow to select the data, and click on this arrow and click on the unique records only. Okay, when you click on this option here, the filter only unique records on the both column. Okay, just click on OK and that's it. Here you see only the unique records here filter in two column. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 and amount also unique filter. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.